Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make Brave browser faster. Let's dive right in. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can optimize various aspects of Brave to improve its performance. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Extensions. This is an important step because extensions can significantly slow down your browser, especially if you have multiple ones running in the background that you don't actually use anymore. Now click on Manage Extensions. This will show you a complete list of all the extensions currently installed in your Brave browser. Take a moment to review what's there, look for any extension you're not actively using, and click Remove next to it. Removing unnecessary extensions frees up memory and processing power, which directly translates to better browser performance and faster loading times. After cleaning up your extensions, navigate back to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains tools that help you clear out accumulated data that might be slowing down your browser. Click on Delete Browsing Data. This opens a window where you can choose what type of data to remove. In that window, click on More to expand the options, then select All Time from the Time Range dropdown. This ensures you're clearing out all accumulated browsing data, not just recent activity. Once you've selected All Time, click Delete from this device. This will clear your cache, cookies, and other stored data that can bog down browser performance over time. Alternatively, there's another way to speed things up. In the left panel, click on System. This section controls how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and background processes. Look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Brave is closed and toggle it off. Disabling this prevents Brave from using resources when you're not actively using it, which helps your system run smoother overall. Right below that option, you'll see Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Toggle this on. Graphics acceleration allows your browser to use your computer's GPU for rendering, which makes browsing significantly faster and smoother, especially when dealing with media-rich content or complex web pages. Next, look for the memory option and toggle it on. This feature optimizes how Brave manages memory usage, automatically freeing up resources when tabs aren't being actively used while keeping them responsive when you need them. Finally, go back to Use Graphics Acceleration when available and you'll notice a button beside it that says Relaunch. Click on this button, Brave will close and restart automatically, applying all the changes you've made. This restart is necessary for the graphics acceleration and memory optimization to take effect properly. And that's it. You've successfully optimized Brave browser for faster performance by removing unnecessary extensions, clearing browsing data, and adjusting system settings to make better use of your computer's resources. If this video helps you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.